I should have brought my GoPro. So this is the vaping.
Yeah, you can start.
Rera Terrace.
If you just do walking videos, I think you can start making a bit of money off YouTube.
Yeah, I have a lot now. I'm going to try and download and edit it. I'm not very good with editing.
Yeah, but that's the beauty of the walking videos, is you don't need to edit them.
Right, now I've got your voice in my video, so I have to take out your voice now.
Yeah, but obviously we're not doing it properly. Well, you can. No one, who's going to know my voice, right? No one's going to... They'll think it's just the atmosphere, right? Just music, people walking around, talking. You know what I mean?
Friday night, June. Nice summer evening, one of the hottest day in UK. About 30 degrees during the hot afternoon, but now it's nice and cool. Everyone is out late at night. About, is it 9 p.m. now? 10. 9:45, nice and cool here. Still very lively. TGIF. Where's Dad? He's going the wrong way. He's going to the boring side. Can you bring him back?